If you're not selling the right product on Amazon, you're leaving thousands on the table. Here's how to use JungleScout to fix it. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO and founder of EHP Consulting Group, and my goal is to help you become and stay a millionaire on Amazon. And the only way to do that is to conquer Amazon together. Let's dive in. So first, before we start with JungleScout, we want to have a checklist, and this is what the pros do. So the pros have a checklist, and they're not emotional about the product. They have all of the product ideas listed out. Does the product have more than 10 competitors? Does the product have 25% or more profit margin? Is there a barrier to entry? If there is a barrier to entry, can you get around it? Is it a seasonal product? Maybe it only sells in the summer. Is it a long-term product? Is it like the fidget spinners were short-term? Do you think it has a patent? If it does, you need a patent research. Is it a niche product? Do you think China can come in and easily compete? Are all the competitors making at least $5,000 a month or more? How would you rate this product? After you go through these, you just give it like a rating 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 being the best. Step number 2 is to create a Gsheet list. So you want to have a list of all of the product ideas that you have. And we're going to go over how to find a good product, right? So the easiest first thing that we do when we talk to clients is, what do you love or what do you specialize in, right? We have an eye doctor, he created an eye product. We have an HVAC person who fixes ACs for a living, he created an HVAC product. It's much easier that way if you specialize. Now you don't have to do it like this, but it does make it easier, right? Right, here's an HVAC product, and then you create a Gsheet of all of your ideas on what you want to look at or potentially launch, right? You want to have an idea sheet before you get started, because if we go to this sheet and you only have 2 ideas, that is no bueno. Well, you need to have more. So you can find it on Amazon, use TikTok search, hashtag TikTok made me buy it. You can find ideas of products that are only on TikTok and not on Amazon and get it on Amazon before they do. Or some products on TikTok never get on Amazon. Shark Tank products, allsharktankproducts.com. This is just going to help you create some ideas. Then you're going to utilize Amazon and JungleScout to do some extra research. And then we have the tools we're using, Helium 10, JungleScout, AMZ Scout. They're all in the description for more. Step number 3 is to download the JungleScout Chrome extension. Now you can just Google JungleScout Chrome extension and download it. And then this is going to show you how much sales the competitors are making on Amazon. So it's definitely needed and very useful. Number 4 is using JungleScout's Opportunity Finder, and this is going to also help you find products. So you can go to junglescout.com, you're going to log in, and then you're going to go to the Opportunity Finder. You can look at the United States directly and then see, okay, what categories should you potentially sell in? And we have automotive right here. I know this is a very profitable category, and you can see, okay, what kind of products. This is just to get your creativity juices flowing, see what items you could potentially sell. So I want to sell items that are selling at least 500 units a month to 5,000 units a month, right? And maybe I want to sell a higher price product. It's selling for $30 to, let's do $90. And then you could put in more information as well, but we're going to search right here and then we're going to see what JungleScout comes up with, if they come up with any good ideas or not. And we can see heater for car, snow. So this is going to be a seasonal product, snow socks car. I think that could be a, let's just view this just to see what the heck it looks like. Can we view it on Amazon? So snow socks, 60. This is actually doing pretty decent. So if we're looking at it and we can try to see how much sales we're getting. So make sure you log into that JungleScout Chrome extension so we can see how much sales they're making. Now, again, this is one of the reasons why I love JungleScout, is because the Chrome extension literally shows you how much money they're making per month. This product only has 21 reviews and it's making $32,000 a month. And its date first available was only a few months ago. So this could be a great item for the winter time, right? It is a seasonal product. But if we wanted to try to find it on Alibaba, what we could do is right click and go to copy image address. Then we can click on this button on Alibaba.com to attempt to find a manufacturer. And just like that, we found one. So they're selling it for $65, $70. And right now, it only costs around $6 to $7 on Alibaba.com to buy one of these. So this is a huge potential opportunity. And then finally, I'm going to be going over some pro slides to help you. So once you go over it, you can find the product like we found it. And then you want to see how much profit it's going to be making. So if we go back to this sheet, our pro sheet, we want to make sure it has a 25% or higher profit margin. Anything above 50% is amazing, but you really want to be above 25% minimum. A little bit higher than that would be recommended depending on how much competitors you have. But again, you can use Amazon's tool. You can just Google Amazon FBA calculator, and there's actually a free calculator you can use. Plug in the cost that you found on Alibaba for around, we can just do $8 a set, just round up, right? You want to be conservative, and then see how much profit margin you could make. You can see on this one, it's a 37% profit margin. Look at your earning potential, right? And then put it all down on a spreadsheet. You really want to have all the spreadsheet fully filled out. And you want to see, is it a seasonal product, right? Also, does it have a patent? Maybe there's not that many competitors because it has a patent. If so, you want to do a patent search and hire an attorney to do a patent search. Also, possibly, if it doesn't have a patent, could you file a patent? If you did file a patent, then nobody else is going to be able to compete with you, and you're going to dominate that market. So that's always a great idea to buy. Or another number tip is going to be to always have 3 to 5 product ideas in different categories. So when you launch on Amazon, I always tell clients not to just do 1 product or 2 products, but 3 to 5 products in completely different categories. So maybe a dog toy, something that's electronic, a massager, a headache reliever, something that tools and products that are completely different. That way it increases your chances of success. You can always launch a product. Once it's successful, change something about it. So if it is successful and you want to have like your own monopoly and not have competitors, you want to patent it. Patenting it it's very expensive. It costs time and energy. So you can always make a product, and once it's successful, change something about it and then patent it, right? And that's pretty much the steps to create a profitable product and get started on Amazon. And that's it for today's video. Comment below on how you recently conquered Amazon. If you learned something new, smash that like button. If you're already an Amazon seller, I highly recommend you subscribe to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help launching a product or even finding a product, contacting a manufacturer, this is what we specialize in, everything Amazon. Contact ehpconsultinggroup.com, link in the description for more. And you can check out our #1 service where we'll come in, we'll manage your account, help you increase your sales, and even call Amazon for you. That's our full account management service. Contact ehpconsultinggroup.com for more. I'm Josh Hackett, and I'm signing out.